So even though it's raining outside, I can still hear a lot of birds out in my yard. I'm sure they're enjoying the warmer weather. Listen for a minute. And what I noticed today was that there's something in this tree. And what you can see right here is a birdhouse that I made with my granddaughter last year. Nothing going on in there. But if you look closer at this branch, take a look at what's here. See that nestled right in the two big branches of the tree? It's a nest. And I suspect that it's a robin's nest. Let's see what's inside. Nothing yet. There's nothing inside that nest just yet. So maybe we'll get lucky, and in a couple of days, we'll see if there's any surprises inside that nest. For now, just listen.